Big one, great big one. Let's go! I don't know if this one will make it or not, but I'm just enjoying the opportunity that's been given to me. That's the best I can say. Just hanging out. Boom! I think, I don't care how this turns out, I can't tell you how much I appreciate all this.
And for the second year in a row, the Bassmaster Classic ends with a cherry on top.
There is never a bad time to win this derby. You really cannot describe my family getting to see it, my friends, the fans, the people that I've met. It reminds me of why I'm here, what I'm doing,